Well, look what we have here, guys. It's chilly. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash like button, share, post notifications. Today is day 4 of Vlogmas. I am in line right now getting my caffeine fix. Just dropped off the boys. As you could tell, it snowed. We got a little bit of snow still up on the top. The boys are kind of tripping out on that, how the snow's just chilling there. But I say that all this snow will be melted by 4 o'clock. Don't call me a Grinch. That's just how it happens here in Amarillo, Texas. But it is still kind of flurrying, so I don't know. Maybe it might stay. Who knows? But I got 10 appointments today. And then we have, as I said before in one of the Vlogmas, we are going to be having a Grinch play at my church. So tonight is going to be the first script read-along. I'm the narrator. So that's what we'll be doing this evening. So I got, I got 10 appointments. So we're going to get to the shop. Well, get home, get ready. Get to the shop, do the haircuts, and then go to church later on. But yeah, well, let's get to the shop, guys. I should have started my truck sooner. It's covered on the windshield. But we gotta take it, because someone's gotta look at my tires. Just got to the shop, and it looks like I'm the first one here. This is not happening in a while, because Davey's usually here. But let's go open up the shop and get these cuts started. He just pulled up. He literally just pulled up. He's a reverser. He's a reverse parker. So I think these right here are the 2011 release. And those.
I got these this year.
Yeah, those are the newer ones.
Yeah, these are the newer ones.
Yeah, that's crazy. Great minds think alike. I can't stand this guy. He wins every single day. Look at those. Look at those. Look at those. Tell me what? Why? In the shoe? The shoes? All right. Well, I have these on today, and my boss has on the OG. What are those? The wave runners? David's got on the 4s, and Luis has on David's Air Force Ones from the other day. She said she didn't want to be in the game, but look at those. She got on the OG breads. But the real winner is right here. Look at that. That guy's a blue collar worker right there. Yeah, look at them boots. Lots of work been put in with those.
Oh, he didn't bring the good ones.
I'll get Hector's kicks after I get your outfit. David's about to hit the yard. Who plays tonight?
Detroit and Cowboys.
Oh, Detroit and the Lions? I got the Lions.
I got the Lions minus 10 and a half.
The Lions minus 34.
That's crazy.
Cowboys about to get dusted, bro. They're about to go to the den. I gotta go to the bank today, but before I go, does that keep you warmer?
Very warm.
No, not the shirt. Your socks, your pants tucked into your socks. Yeah? Yeah. We didn't get his shoes on camera, so these are what he's wearing. The Vomero 5s.
Yeah.
It's a Silver Surfer colorway.
Javier put me on these, so shout out to him.
Who's Javier?
El Patron.
Oh, Xavier. And this is Roy. This is, y'all go check him out at I can't even pronounce it. I don't know. You can pronounce it for them. Al Manatiel. There we go. Oh, the food truck. You have a food truck? Ah, I'm gonna try it. Is it Mexican food? Ah, I'm gonna pass.
Indian food.
No, it's fine. Hey, you hear that? This is good stuff, bro.
I went to go do like a service call, and he was eating. Yeah, and yeah, he was eating. He was in his dinner table, and then he was like, yeah, I need you to fix this sauce.
Was he?
And he's like, yeah, he just
Was he sitting cross-legged on his dinner table?
barefoot.
On top of it.
It smells. It smells like straight Habibi.
You're a racist.
All right, let's hear your accent.
My Indian accent?
Yeah, I know you got one. Come on, doctor. I know you got an Indian accent.
I don't.
I think yours is better than his. You've been practicing.
Hey, just like say something, like just work your mouth, but don't put any words out, and I'll do the accent.
Okay.
Thank you guys for watching the vlog. Come get haircut with me, Hector. Hector 23.
That was pretty good.
David said, "Are we ever gonna win a sneaker battle?"
What?
David said, "Are we ever gonna win a sneaker battle?"
Why?
Cause you,
Bro, I'm not gonna wear any more heat.
bro, that's all you have is heat. I don't think it's impossible. I don't think it's possible
Bro, you
for
know
you.
what's crazy though?
That's why he never stayed cold, cause all that heat.
You know what's crazy though, bro? I retired, bro. I retired from this years ago.
Retired from what?
Huh?
Retired from what?
Hey, I retired, bro.
Stand by.
Nah, but
All right.
I feel like I don't know. I feel like because you started buying them again and then you retired again, but then that time I stayed playing, and then Hector came and I was like, Hector's on this. I was like, all right, I'm back, and it's been a problem.
Hector is on it.
It's caused.
I tried to. I kind of slowed down too, just because resale was getting crazy.
It's coming down though.
It is coming down, so now you can cop a pair that you like. So that's good for us sneakerheads.
How did you start your outfit today?
Well, obviously it's Cowboy game day, so silver and blue, baby.
Is your favorite movie Brokeback Mountain?
Nah.
No, second. Second. I didn't get my fit today. So we have the limited release Jayblends merch shirt. This dropped. I was a shock drop. That was fun. We got the Nike sweats with the Cement 3s. I think these are from 2011. OG with the Nike on the back. You can see how dirty they are, how messed up the elephant print is. But they're comfortable. They're broken in.
Way better leather quality than
Oh
the new
yeah,
release.
the new ones suck.
Yeah.
What's good, y'all? I have to go run some errands right now, so I'm headed back to the house. To go pick up my wife. She's gonna ride with me. She usually comes along on my lunch breaks or whatever break I have, so that's where I am headed right now. I think her first Christmas gift came in too, so we'll go take a look at that. I'm bad at, I feel like with my wife, I just get her, like, she'll say I want this, all right, we'll get that for Christmas, but yeah. So let's go take a peek, a little gander at her first gift that we got her for the month. So I think we still have a lot of Christmas shopping to do for the kids, but we'll get that done. It'll get done by the 25th. It's what, day 4? Today is day 4 of Vlogmas, so we got 20 days until Christmas. So we got more than enough time, in my opinion. But yeah, let's get home. I pull up to the house, guys, and you gotta look at this. Her gift is just chilling outside in the cold. What the heck? Hopefully it's not wet.
No, don't record me. I look like a jellyfish.
You look like a what?
I look like a jellyfish. I look like the jellyfish from Shark Tale.
She said that, oh no, the snow's all gone. Look, I told y'all this morning, it'd be gone by 4 p.m. It's gone. Now it's unboxing time. My wife is making more cookies. Why are you hitting me? Huh? Why are you hitting me?
Because I like
You wanna fight?
No. Yes.
Hook him. Hook him. Hook him. Come on. Don't do that. There we go. What are you eating?
And then I try to make it like a teeth and flip.
Are you making a letter?
Flip them over.
Flip them over?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I try to make it how it was.
Are you gonna eat all those?
Yeah.
What the heck? That's a lot. Can I have one? Thank you. Have another one?
No more.
Just one more. Thank you. She said it says to Nico Jessup, so she don't think it's mine. We shall see.
I don't think it's yours.
As he said. I think it is yours.
You think it's mine or
Yeah,
yours?
no, it's yours.
It's mom's.
Is it? I don't know.
Mom's.
With the box?
You don't have to act surprised.
But I am.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Wow. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas, Mama.
Do you like it?
Yes.
You want one?
Yes.
I'm just kidding.
I want one.
Eventually you'll find a husband who can buy you one. Yeah? One day.
Thank you, babe.
You're welcome, babe. You're messing this up. We have 20 days, 21 days till Christmas. 21. Say 21 days till Christmas. Say 21 days till Christmas. 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 She's out here sporting the new bag already. I like it. What's up, big worm?
What's up, big worm?
How much you got left?
I mean, big perm.
Big worm, big worm.
You like my hair?
Look, y'all, it's common sense. If someone's gonna hold the door open for you, say thank you. Say thank you. Y'all, I am here at Forward Barber Supply. I needed gloves. I haven't tried the blue ones out, so I'm gonna look like a Smurf. I really looked at a lot of clippers, like new stuff in the market of barbering, because I use only typically one brand unless somebody in the shop has something that is new. But I really haven't used anything. The newest thing I used was the Andis trimmer, which I put on my IG. I haven't used the new Andis clipper, but to be honest, this feels like something I've used before. I just can't put my hand on it. I forget what it was. I think it was like a Super or something. That was kind of his body shape. But I've heard a lot of things about this, and I haven't used that personally either. It does have the ceramic blade on there, but a lot of people were hyping this up here as well. So it's the first time I'm really putting my hands on a lot of these new things. But one thing that intrigued me is this right here. This Andis. It's very light, super light, like feather light. But it sounds powerful. But I will say this, before I started using TPOB, my favorite shaver was the OG Andis gray shaver. I don't even know if they sell them anymore. Y'all don't sell those ones, huh? They don't have those ones, but I think you can find those online. I'm not sure if Andis even continued with those. But also there's this. Do you know what kind of motor this is, bro?
That one is gonna be, that's the trimmer.
Yeah, the X.
The trimmer is gonna be Vector.
Oh, okay, it's a Vector motor.
It's the Vector motor.
Weirdly, it doesn't feel as powerful as the Instinct, I think. I think the Instinct feels a little more powerful. And then we have, oh, that feels powerful.
Yes.
Vector motor in that clipper. But yeah, there's a lot of new different stuff out there that I haven't seen. And yeah, I think that's everything thus far that's on this. What's crazy to me is that these guys get away with selling the same thing over and over and over and over, and that's Wall. Wall doesn't produce anything new. They just, I don't know. Do they get away with it? Can they get away with it because they're so OG in the game? Do they have that pass because they've been doing it for so long? Like McDonald's, not bringing anything new. They just have the same thing. Is that what Wall is at right now? I think it is. Andis is at least trying to create new stuff, but Wall is like, nah. And Oster is not even anywhere in the picture. They just sell toasters. But yeah, get some gloves and head back to the shop. A little lunchtime refueling. I'm a child, I tell you. Lettuce and ham, that's it. And Cheetos. Back at the shop, and this has been my dream since I started working with the brand. This is my boss's station. Look at that. What's the go-tos right there? We got Hector. We'll blur the middle out. But he just joined the gang with the mini. He loves them black.
Black and slim.
And then Luis has got the mini as well. That's the long one, huh?
The long one there. The OG.
The OG.
The OG.
OG for the OG. I think Luis has been barbering the longest. And then we have the mini, the OG, and then of course over here. And then we got Crucito. We got Crucito from if you ever seen Blood In, Blood Out.
To what? Bust me? Well, come on, Gabacho, you the law. Do your job.
Do you know any lines from the movie?
I don't, bro.
No? Do you do meet and greets? And then we have the white X Deluxe and the play setup. And then of course you got all that. Hector, do you want to run that back one more time?
I said, I'm not gonna lie, this is probably one of my top rated TPOB clippers.
You know, you didn't say that. You said 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Your boy outdid himself with this one.
Out of everything you've used in your barber career, there it is.
TPOB or no mod.
The TPOB Hector size.
Then he tried to say they're as good as the Cowboys, and we all know that's a disgrace to TPOB right there.
All right, y'all, just cut on my last one. I didn't get a good picture or nothing, or video, but I got to lock up. We about to slide up out of here. I'm already late to practice for the church, but I'm gonna get pick up my wife and my son. We about to slide over there.
Stop it! Oh, why don't these people shut up? Max, give me my clothes!
Come get it.
What? You will betray me? Go get out of my sight! You're making me sick! No scratch for you!
Just got home from our Grinch Christmas play practice. But that'll do it for this day. Day number 4 in the books. We got 21 days till Christmas, and it's gonna come here in no time. Tomorrow, got a busy day ahead. I got a lot of appointments tomorrow, which is always a blessing. We still have yet to show you the decor in the house for Christmas, and we'll get to that, I promise. But we still got 21 days of Vlogmas. So, hope you guys are enjoying this series. If you're my family and you're watching this, I miss y'all, love y'all, and I hope you enjoy seeing the family, seeing your nieces and nephews, and just my daily life. Old friends that may be watching, appreciate y'all, miss y'all, hope y'all are doing well in life. Anybody that's new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are enjoying the content and just the laughs and stuff at the house with my kids, my wife. Just a look into my life. But that's what Vlogmas is all about. But I'm not gonna go on a long rant. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn on post notifications. Till next time, Merry Christmas, God bless.